Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management, and today we're taking the tour of 802 Chestnut Street, apartment number 5 in Montoursville, Pennsylvania. This is an adorably cute and cozy 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and I'm going to take you through this entire place, and I'm going to show you all the great things about it, and then after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's go. Okay, we are starting outside so you can see the surrounding neighborhood and all the available parking. Now, reserved parking is underneath there. Aside from here, everything else is open and available. There's a little gazebo out here for everyone to be able to use. And we're going to go inside the rear door here. And before we go up to the apartment, you can see the coin-operated washer and dryer down at the bottom of the steps. We're going to go up a couple and right to your apartment door. Now, when we go inside, great area here. Plenty of room to set up your living room, a little dining room space, nice and bright. You've got this cutesy kitchen with tons of cabinets, by the way, tons. Full appliance package in here, so you've got it all. Dishwasher, everything. You also have an in-wall air conditioner here. Now when we come down here, we've got a nice, great big closet here. We have this beautiful yellow bathroom. You can say whatever you want, but you sure could make this yellow into something fabulous with some really great personal touches. Now we're gonna come right into the bedroom here. This is the last space. Big and beautiful, lots of natural light, plenty of room for a king-size bed, and then you've got this closet. Let's open up this door. You've got a hang bar and a shelf. You've got your water heater in here, but this is nice and long. Was I right or what? It's cute, it's cozy, and the only thing it's missing is you. So what you need to do to call this place home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about this apartment. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. You can also call us at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So get on the website or give us a call today, because no matter what you do, we are here to help you make this your home.